#40 here today. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a CSX SD40-2. Please. Now I built this all by myself with no help at all. This took me a few minutes to build. And without further ado, let's get on to the build. So the first thing we're gonna need are stone brick stairs. Just done check. Yeah, we need stone brick stairs. So the materials you'll need for the stairs are cyan terracotta, cobblestone wall, and stone brick stairs. Without further ado, what you want to do is you want to take this block and you want to make like a round wheel shape. This will resemble the wheel. Let me just open and see if it's equal. Oh yeah, we're done. And you want to make sure that another wheel is spaced away from your first one. Because that's how I built mine. So there's two complete wheels. Here is another complete wheel. And now for the second row of wheels. This thing requires a lot of wheels because it's an SD40-2. Now I think I might have to upload a part 2 on this video because I can only record 600 seconds of recording. And once you have your stairs done, take your cyan terracotta and just fill it in. No block spacing. Just fill it in on the inside. Just like that. And then you want to place a cyan terracotta near the front of the second wheel, or the middle wheel, just like that. Next up, you want to take a cyan terracotta and place one about near the rear of the wheels. Then take your cobblestone wall and just place them on the inside. Oh, and at the front here. And there you guys have it for your bogies. Next up, what you're going to take out is you're going to take out your stone brick slabs, and you're going to just fill in this spot here. You're just going to fill up the axle. Just do this until you end up with this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take out your stone brick stairs and your cobblestone wall out again, because as you guys may notice, there's something over there that I have to do. So you're going to take your stone brick stairs, place one upside down, and then another one upside down, with a stone brick slab attached to the bottom. This will be like the entrance staircase. It's not really well seeable over there, but you can see it halfway. Then you're going to go over to the other side and do the same exact thing. Stone brick stairs. I don't even know what I just said. And once you have that, you're going to extend it out one more block, but this time you're going to extend it with stone brick stairs. But this middle block is supposed to stay upright, because the coupling will be going there. Next up, you're going to take your stone brick slab. And I like doing this in a nice, fashionable way. There. Then you're going to take your stone brick slab and you're going to place it up just like that. Until you end up with this. Which I think I just messed up. Yeah, that's pretty much what happened. Sorry guys, technical issues, I accidentally messed it up. There we go, now they're connecting. Let's say you result with this. Then you're going to retake out your cobblestone wall and you're going to place it in like an L shape. Just like that. Until you result in this first bogey, Which now you're going to take out your blue concrete and your yellow concrete. You're going to start on the second block, or the third block here, and you're going to build like this sort of shape, and then you're going to place a yellow concrete in the middle, and you're going to build that back by 2 blocks. So 1, 2. And then you're going to just start filling it in. And then you result in the hood of the SD40-2. And then you're going to make an extended line, just like this, and you're going to extend that up by 3 blocks, just like that. Next up, you're going to take out your black stained glass pane, or black stained glass block, and you're going to place one here and here, right near the beginning of, right near the sides of the hood. And then you're going to fill that in with yellow concrete, or with blue concrete, I meant. And then you're going to fill in the roof, but leave these 2 side blocks alone. Place an extra block there above the windows with a torch on it. Next up, you're going to put a sign here. It doesn't matter what you put on it. I'm just going to leave it blank. And then you're going to take out your court stairs, and you're going to extend that out by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So that will be 5 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And then near the end of the staircase, you're going to place one of the 2 black stained glass blocks with yellow concrete on the bottom. Next up, what you're going to do next is you're going to take out your iron bars. You're going to place them near the windows. And then you're going to go over to the other side, and you're going to do the exact same thing. If you guys think I'm going too fast, just pause the video and go back, and then you can slow the video down. I don't really care. Because if it's hard to understand what I'm doing, then you guys can just pause the video and just do this. Yeah, we have it on the right. So now we're just going to extend our stone brick slabs just out 1 more block. And then this is where the fuel tank comes in. Which now we're going to switch to our stone brick block, and that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, you know what? You guys know the drill. 15 blocks. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 blocks. Then you're going to fill it in. Just like that. Then you're going to take your cyan terracotta, and you're going to place that underneath these stone bricks blocks that we just placed. Here we go. And you're going to fill that in with cyan terracotta until you end up with this. Next of what just hang on. I hate when I run into weather all the time. Next off, what you're going to do is you're going to place 1 and 2 blocks just like that, and you're going to extend that to the back, all the way to the end of the back. It doesn't matter if it's completed or not. Just like that. We're doing this just in case. We're not going to start filling it up yet. Now we're going to take our stone bricks and we're going to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But you have to replace this